lot of people ask what we do on Fridays. Why is the dealership closed on Fridays? We're technically not closed. The doors are not open to the public for people to come in and view the cars. I do take appointments on those days for people that are coming in to buy vehicles, but this is a good example. We've got to move a bunch of cars around. A bunch of cars are due to be started and run for a little bit, so we're pulling apart the whole dealership, moving everything in and out, making sure everything's on trickle charge and everything is clean and ready to go. If we ever notice there was something not quite right with the vehicle, we're going to put a list together, and then Haig will either take a look at it in the mechanical shop, or we'll bring it into the wash bay for some final detailing. This is our Friday. We're not just here playing on our phones, we're actually working.
Wait. See if you can close it.
I'd be okay, I guess.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, stop. And stop.
No se puede que a veces te juro.
About the F40, rock, paper, scissors. Just before you start,
What?
I'm gonna go paper you. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry, bro. So close. I know. I know.
Oops.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, good plan. I'm gonna sneeze. So we're moving all the cars around. This is kind of reminiscent of early years when the dealership first opened. The outskirts of the perimeter of the inside of the dealership here was primarily muscle cars, and the middle here was some exotics. We had, you know, some Ford GTs, some McLarens, some Lamborghinis and stuff. They were at first the only cars that were under the barriers, and the rest was all open. So it was kind of chaos in here the first couple of years, needless to say.
Yeah.